Hi, Thokoza, welcome to Makriza Made Me Cook. Gama Principal Mahlangu. Namhla sise Township, one of the beautiful townships in the city of Bulawayo. It's got so much history, and I asked Tina Stanimbali, I'm a townships, I'm a logish, So joining me is my brother, fellow filmmaker, Uras Voit.
Hayi mina lami yathabuthi ukusivakatshela enkethe.
Ayisebo kunini ngidala siqoqa uhlelo lwezizahlangana.
Abaningi babiza ukuthi iNkettersburg.
Oh, Inkettersburg. Okay. Oyibheki ngani kupha i-suburbs.
I-suburbs.
Ngidala singemva kweleyi anisiku Msarura la.
This is Msarura. Le intersection yethu. This road.
It's famous intersection, yeah?
Famous.
Yeah, which leads to Emaketini.
Which
is Nketa 9.
Semganini. Then this one here, 710, connect to Nketa 6.
That's right. Also, this road, E18, you connect back to Nketa Drive.
Exactly.
We get it. Then we are able to go to Masepambi. What are you well known for? What are you? What's your passion?
My passion is filmmaking. I'm a professional filmmaker. I studied at school. Is my passion. Obviously, but the film comes first.
Okay.
You understand? Yeah.
Then I know you've done a lot of our music videos in Ghana.
Yeah.
As what Kamba artists, I know Ulo Sanda Ndebele, Ulomzo 7.
OFG.
Koko.
Hey, abanengi wena. Abanengi unoVyosikeli, Violadiz. Hey, banengi kakhulu. Master Joe from Gwanda.
Yeah.
Silo Shing and DJ Towers from Harare. Tsukirai, Iyasa. Then Iyasa is a group. I've done a lot of work labo. Into us, I've done a lot of things.
Okay. Also, you do on the short films.
The short films, yeah. Amacala, Yoihlazo, and all those short films. Into us.
Okay, that. Mele sebona umdala la uzastay imbali enketha but asiqale sidle vele.
Siqale sidle.
Siye kunashona.
Enhloko yini.
Enhloko yini.
She dey dance, I dey marry yo. Sweet position, I no go like sweet condition. Get down for there. She dey dance, I dey marry yo. Sweet position, I no go like sweet condition. Get down for there. She dey dance, I dey marry yo. Sweet position, I no go like sweet condition. Get down for there.
Mina ngiulingiwe Siwela ibizo lokuzalwa intombi emhlophe ngabomo. Abangaziyo bakwazi ukuthi uMasiwela uNashon inhloko ini ngoba yime mpheka inhloko uqobo lwayo. Ngobulawayo wonke bengaba lenkani kababuye abafuna ukufunda futhi angibayaleli babuye bazothatha ama notes. Inhloko ngiyipheka njengoba naturally. Inhloko kayifuni fine salt. Ifuna amanzi lenkuni ezikwanileyo. Inhloko kayiphekwa ngamaplastiki. Inhloko iphekwa ngenkuni ezikwanileyo namanzi lesawudo lamatshe. Lingene inhloko yami ngiyipheka lo limi lwakhona uyathola luphakathi kwenhloko. Ubuchopho hayi awusoze ubuthole ngoba buyaphihlika. Kodwa inhloko hayi ngiyipheka natural. Babuya bezoyidla khona apha inhloko. Hayi njengamagweja kangikhulumi ngithanda ukubonga. Ngikhuluma ngithanda ukubonga amagweja ngoba lapha kudliwa inhloko ukudla kwesintu uqobo lwakho. Njalo mina nxa lingabuya lithi sifuna ukudla kwesintu ngiyilenzela ngendlela yakhona. Inkukhu makhaya ngiyayipheka njengoba ngondliwa isalukazi. Ngiyipheka njengoba ngakhulela ekhaya. Impilo yedorobheni ngiyayazi ngoba sasiloku ubuye edorobheni. Ungamfaka kubo masalad oma 7 colors la ngiyakwenzela yonke.
Lithenga izindlu lezi ezinye zazizikhona.
Kwakungama-stands.
Or they were stands, yeah.
So they were funded by World Bank sort of. Just thatha ama-loan khona ngale as teaching.
Okay.
civil servants, whatever.
Yeah.
Sinika amalungu i-World Bank.
Okay.
Through my banks or my societies, whatever societies, CAPS and the like.
Then like indawo, Baba Eliza, that people you can tell them about Inketha. Which places are here that are famous?
Okay. Angathi khona nxa ufika eNketha kule ndawo kuthiwa 710. Ngaphithizela wona phana bayathengisa abantu sasithi thina i-World Trade Center ngendlela ukuthengiswa ngayo khona. From 7 uye 6 kule garage laphana e6 izitolo eziningi. Kule activity ke laphana ezwayo. Nqala uthengisa into ubona ziyahamba.
I6 nguyimgwaqolwana wemnyoro.
Yes,
that's the same road that goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Umkamlazo lwana ngibona ngisho he busiya bomnyoro kwampana khona phani lokuza lo Nketha Drive khona Nketha Drive lo mkamlazo
Okay.
i6 yona yani.
Okay. Okay, then any challenges Baba lapha elokishini that you want improved or elibona khona inkinga?
Yes, angathi ama-structures akhona ngisho let me say ama-roads and the like ngisho ase-dilapidated. Ayafuna uku-upliftwa into ezinjalo. Ama-playing fields abantwana akula ama-grounds these days. Thola ukuthi they are defunct. Ngavela sukulotshani, equipment yokudlalisa abantwana ayisekho.
Bone library also.
Yes, you can say that one.
Yeah.
Of course, the library laphana abantwana they spend their time there. Klinik iseduzane. Njengalapha esikoleni le7 ku-central into zakhona zonke they are easily accessible. Yes.
Okay, then isikole ezikhona lapha eNketha. I saw there's Maranatha. Which other schools are here?
We have in this near school lapha iManondwane primary school. We have iMaranatha esiyosoyita ngisho. Kule mgiqinga futhi eNketha 9 lapha. Izikole
Esikole.
Just lapha eNketha.
Okay. Then there's Nketha Clinic, Nketha
Library as well.
Kule Nketha Hall, kule hall.
I-hall khona 8 yes.
8.
Nketha Hall is 8 yes.
Okay, 8 lana opposite 6 garage.
Opposite 6 garage lapho kwakhona.
Okay.
So mina umsebenzi engiwenzayo ngenza kwamafilimu. Something engaqala kudala. I think even in grade 7. Grade 7, yes. Grade 7 form 1. Lapho sathola khona there's a cousin wathi lifunani. Ufuna ndithengele khona. Then he said it's a computer. But nasicela icomputer leyana kwindaba lana ukuthi ama game understand lokubhena ama CD. But then totally computer and then there was a software called Nero Penning Studio. So within Nero Penning Studio there was a editing software called Nero Vision. You understand? So ngazo ngithanda nje ukuyenza ama slideshow, short films, into ezifana lezo. That's where I fell in love with film. But vele khona ngise primary angithanda into ze art. So Inketha, I think, is made up of 6, 7, 8, 9. It's made up of 4 demarcations. We have Inketha 6, we have Inketha 7, we have Inketha 8, we have Inketha 9. So mina mphuma ku demarcation ethiwa Inketha 7. Duze la komsarurwa or duze le clinic. Abanye bathi it's next to Bellevue. Yeah, that's where lapho mphuma khona. Eko lapho ngikhulele khona. Sithi siqale 7, Inketha 7, the famous places where kuthiwa kuse VS supermarket, but abantu abaningi bazithiwa komsaruro egodini. It's ngamagrocer nje kule club upstairs. Then sisuka lapho sithi Inketha 9, you have your shops Korunganga. Inketha 6 obviously we know egarage. Inketha 8 sile holu. Yeah. Yabo Inketha 9 futhi kule ndawo kuthiwa kusemagetsini noma ukade umshobo usetown die Inketha 9 emagetsini. You understand? So these are the famous spots ayaziwa eNketha. Yabo even labo 710 noma uvelele emalokishini amadala. Yabo die mina ngifuna Inketha 7 hayi ngisale e710 andobo kuye ngomasiye phambili. Yeah, these are the famous spots abantu abanjani abawaziyo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukufika enketha mostly thina bugadela kuthiwa i-4011 ko-Cowbro ukuthi inketha 9 yabo abanye bathi inketha Mnyoro uthi inketha Mnyoro yabusala inketha 6 yabo usala maybe inketha 8 yeah njengoba ngitshela mina phuma ePlumtree Plumtree Mpoens cela amaphane kuphela mdala so amacimbi mina I hold in mind ukushaya amacimbi Sunday to Sunday and mina amacimbi ayisolana ukuthi la faka onion kumbe itamatisi wathi ndishaya njalo amafutha amacimbi lisawudola you understand limpuphu yamabele impuphu yamabele ngithanda kakhulu these days njengoba bengayitholi kuhle so ngisebenzisa ethiwa i-multi grain so amacimbi amfuntsha amanga mdala ekudleni kwesintu yikho lo mfusha wendumba amfusha wendumba bekuyi-favorite kamamami understand la mawucinisa i-favorite yami because ayivike engapheli kungadliwa ngomfusha wendumba understand noma karese late yabo noma ngiyuthenga si-remembrance kabani kamasalo yabo yeah
intengo yami enhloko yodwa ngoba bakhona abanjengabo Salam abafuna inhloko evuthiweyo kabalamazinyo ngiyaxolisa ngalokho iyenza $8 ulimi lwakho nxa ulufuna lonke lunjalo $4 ulimi lwenkomo kodwa nxa ufuna isithwala lenhloko yakho $50 mina vele ngithengisa inyama isithwala kanithengisa isithwala ngamahara $50 inkukhu makhaya intengo yiyo le price yami $50 isithwala ledelele $, isithwala lebhinzi $, udola uvele echolocho $, intengo yami mina abangabe bengidinga ngitholakala enketha 7 komSarura Shopping Center lingafika lithi lidinga uMasiwela enhloko in ngiphambi kweshop kaMsarura ngikhangelane nayo V1
thanda ubonga mfowethu isikhathi ifunda okuningi mdala ngenketha 7 inketha township
hayi lami menthabile ukuthi uzovakashela inketha andabona ukuthi eBulawayo sazomakokoba mzilikazi nereductions inketha bayizwa nje kuthiwa inketha but abakwazi ukuthi inketha ingani nivi lami nje balutshwana abantu abakwazi ukuthi hayi mvele inketha
so mdala into eyi1 ufika achieve this year win as a filmmaker, as an artist, as a storyteller?
Obviously, as filmmakers, it's long-term and short-term goals. But my short-term goals this year is to push more flower talent, especially in terms of our musicians. Already working on our TV productions, dramas, TV shows. Namhlanje lead an interview Ubila is going to change the face of Bulawayo.
Yeah, for it.
Ubila is going to change the face of Bulawayo. Italian ngikwazi ngikhulume kanjani but uNkulunkulu ambusisi
sesabo usayenza iGwabalanda Township so Ubila nguye sasenza itrack yakhe for the episode.
Yes.
Thanks Rasan. Thank you for watching Makriza Made Me Cook. Unzuzakanana Simkheche uMasingili. So never been to Nketha Township. Remember 4 demarcations. There's Nketha 6, 7, 8 and Nketha 9. Endaweni lapho sikomSarura. Kona short uzothenga inyama yenhloko udla kwesintu. Remember, keep the love, keep the ubuntu.
Siyabonga.
She said that that's Skoda. Sebukala magenge masbenga. She said that that's Skoda.